Homestead.
Today is Monday, October 21st, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra, and you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I'm almost done. Rocco! Why would you do that? You know what? I quit. I'm done. I quit.
Bye. Now here are important announcements.
Hi, I'm Miss Andrade. I'm the assistant principal of Somerset Preparatory Academy. And I'm so excited because I get to introduce Peppy the Python. It's our first official mascot, and he's going to be doing his grand appearance at the pep rally next week for homecoming. Be ready to see our first, loud and proud, Peppy the Python. Go Python!
Do you like to hang about? Did you let the cat get out?
Did you see the fish jump out?
Can you find the secret route?
Did you hear a rooster shout?
Oh, I know what they were trying to say. Do you want a birthday shout out?
I can do this, but Lucas can't.
You know what? Actually, I unquit. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day.
Go Pythons!